Beautiful pass there to start this finals from Nzusu, as Aryan Bold missing a long one and an offensive rebound from Zachary Wang, and of course Nzusu. Lead pass on Batar. Yes, 2 points. Kanina pass, you see Nzusu with a follow-up and a basket.
That's one thing na wala itong kupunan ng Mongolia. The muscle and the intensity. The Mongolian defender there to get that ball.
Foul coming from Avarzed on that instant replay, and Mike Harry nilang dapat pantayan, and that's the reason why he can shoot it from the outside. He can drive. Talio spinning with a bounce pass. Beautiful pass from number 10 to Onol Batar. Offensive rebound. Mike Harry with the putback.
How valuable is a Mike Harry to have in your team right now? Getting those misses and putting it back.
Difficult shot.
How did that go in?
3 points now for Mike Harry out of the 5 ng Cebu. And a strength there inside against Onol Batar. Ball remains with Mongolia.
Mac Talio saying there's a reason why I'm the #1 3x3 player in the country.
Bold drives, goes up, great shot from Aryan Bold.
Big shoes to fill para kay Aryan Bold. Wow!
Speed.
Wow!
That is what you call speed, and then he comes up with the defensive stop. And the steal goes all the way, almost the basket. Pero tinawagan ng traveling.
Hulog ang depensa.
Great play on the ball screen. And then the roll. That was Onol Batar. Onol Batar, yes sir, that's a 2-point shot to tie this game.
Kasalanan ko yung binati ko.
Binati mo eh.
Tabla na tayo, 9-all.
Zach, nahanap si Mike Harry. It's up again, there's a whistle and a basket.
Wow! Power personified. Mike Harry will not be denied in this game.
Left hand.
Too fast, too strong. Etong si Aryan Bold. Again, one of the main gunners sa kanyang kupunan.
10-all. Just getting Talio out of the way.
Palitan lang ng baskets dito.
Tight score again. And a strong move coming from Mike. And he will make the basket. Cebu back on top by 1. Batsuring! No! An easy picking para kay Onol Batar. We are tied. Under 4 to go.
Nang nabibitawan niya yung bola and then he just goes straight.
Oh, easy layup again. Walang depensa ang Cebu. So it's tied again at 13. Yes, sir!
Sarap nun! Lamang na ng isa ang Cebu.
Mac Talio. And there's somebody going down there. Offensive foul will be called. Ball is loose. Picked up by Zachary. Gives it to...
What a pass! What a pass from Zach Wang to Mike Harry.
It's a 2-point lead for Cebu. Here's Onol Batar against a smaller Talio. He goes down. Talio is open. Yes, sir!
Back to a 2-point lead.
Yes, 17-15.